Hi everyone, myself Vishwas. I'm a technical developer in BPPL. I'll be talking about data recon in this video. So come on, let's get started. Perfectly balanced should all things be. That's what Thanos said in a movie, right? Similarly, all bankers want the tables to be perfectly balanced. For example, a table may go into multiple transformation. A source table will go through inside a ETL and come out as a processing table. But before ETL and after ETL, so the sum of amount should be the same, or the number of records should be the same. So like this sum measures like the sum, count, or average of for few attributes, even after the transformation is made, should be the same, right? So to make sure this type of consistency, we use data recon. So the definition of data recon is to check the consistency between two tables and make sure that the transformation or the migration has happened properly or not. Now let's see, when do you need data recon? Now let's see what are the steps inside a data recon. Now finally it's time for the technical demo. You need to follow 5 simple steps to create a data recon rule. First step is called definition. Basically you need to give a data recon name and a description so it is more readable. And the most important step is to select an LHS entity. I'm selecting GL data as LHS entity and retail loans as RHS entity. At the end of this data recon, these two tables should be reconciled. So I'm saving it, and now let's go to the second step. Yeah, in second step you're basically you can see GL amount and retail loans are the two tables, and now you have to define a new table called connecting table, which will help us to know what's the relation between LHS and RHS table. So I'll add a new dimension. I'm selecting GL data itself as the connecting table and its corresponding attribute, which will help us to know connect these two LHS and RHS table. So basically it's you're selecting the primary key and the foreign keys in the other tables. So that is how we will tell how these two tables are connected. Now let's go to the third step. In the third step, you're actually telling the actual measure. You can define as many measures as you want. Like I'm selecting the sum. So basically, I want sum of GL amount in GL data to be equal to sum of EOP balance amount in retails table, retails loan table. So I am adding one more measure called measure 2, where I want GL amount in GL data to be equal to accused interest amount in RHS table. So basically selecting the attributes on which data recon should happen. Now in fifth step, you can see as you define two measures, there are two measures, there are two rows here. So you can select which measure you want adjustment. You can select threshold percentage or threshold amount. Now I'll select threshold percentage. That means if there is a mismatch of the 10%, then there will be auto adjustment done to the corresponding RHS table. So that's it I had for data recon. I hope you had a great time looking at this video. Thank you and have a balanced life.